truth be told, I've spent my entire career in some of America's great museums. I'm Bob Pickering. I'm director of the Museum Science and Management program here at the University of Tulsa, and I'm also a tenured professor of anthropology here at the university. I think the most succinct way to say it is that we really are trying to prepare the next generation of museum professionals. And in the 21st century, the museum world is a complicated world, as are most other things. And so we try to provide great training and great experiences in some of the technical aspects of what it takes to work in a museum, a contemporary museum. But also we pursue and examine some of the ethical and legal aspects of what it means to work in a museum. We talk about working with indigenous people and collections, and to be honest, how we collaborate with the community. In the 21st century, it's not all about the objects. About half of the conversation is about the audience. Most of the students come in from arts and sciences, no great surprise, anthropology, art history, those kinds of subjects. But more and more I'm getting students who are interested in education or interpretation.
I've always been a big lover of museums. I started my career at 19 years old at a children's museum.
I've always had the love for the arts. So when I looked online and I said, okay, I'll meet with the director of the program, Dr. Pickering. When I met with him, what sold me about the program is the fact that he said all the courses that we take is going to be used in a practical way, to where we can exercise what we've learned and experience what we've learned.
My most favorite thing about our program here is that it's very flexible with your work schedule. You can really cater it to what you want to learn. I had a job up here at Gilcrease where I was on the road every single week with Gilcrease on Wheels, a big rural outreach program across the state. And I was able to manage my schedule and my work schedule so where I could learn and work at the same time.
Because I'm a non-traditional student, so I didn't know if I would fit in, and I just thought, I said, wow. He said, yes, you would, definitely, because we're looking for people who, with your background, with your art background, and also with diversity. We want to be able to include all students, to encourage them that this program is for everyone.
It is a fairly practically oriented program. Most of our students go into the museum world. There are more museums today of more types than there ever have been in the history of this country. So there are jobs out there. Here in Tulsa, this is a great museum community, and there are going to be at least 3 new museums that open their doors in the next 30 months. What I hope our program does is really prepare students to enter a number of entry-level museum positions.